There is lots of evidence that some dinosaurs have not evolved or have gone extinct. In fact, they are living beside men today. Is the Loch Ness Monster and other similar monsters really living dinosaurs like the plesiosaur? Mosquitoes have existed for 210 million years, popularized by Jurassic Park. Bees have existed for 130 million years. Ants have existed for 168 million years. And the Nautilus, living fossil existing for 500 million years, has barely changed. Sea lilies have been around for 480 million years. So is it possible that monsters look like Champ, as well in America, are living fossils? And this plesiosaur possibly was found off the coast of Japan by Japanese fishermen, just decaying. And of course, this monster with this large neck was also found. Are dinosaurs dragons? Every culture has dragons. Are these ancient dinosaurs? Man slowly killed them to extinction. Alexander the Great reported that when he conquered parts of what is now India in 326 BC, his soldiers were scared by the great dragons that lived in caves. And also we see accounts in the Bible that seem to be describing dinosaurs, like Behemoth and Job chapter 40 verse 15 through 10. And also we have the Chinese that were bragging that they raised dinosaurs in captivity to build their chariots for royalty. And then we also have cave drawings even of possible dinosaurs or dragons, as ancients would have called them. And they are anatomically correct at a time when we didn't know what dinosaurs even looked like. And of course we have a possible Stegosaurus and a Cambodian drawing, and of course the Aboriginals as well also did a rendering of Stegosaurus very accurate, and also a plesiosaur. And then also we have this dinosaur with his skin still intact. It's just amazing, and you can even see hairs on it and stuff like that, and the eyes. So are they really that old? And then we also have these mummified dinosaurs. This one was called Leonardo, and believe it or not, we have T-Rex blood. Does this prove that the world is not as old as we think? The dinosaurs aren't hundreds of millions of years old, and that man coexisted with them. This is a footprint that's supposed to be 280 million years old that was discovered in New Mexico. Then also we have the Lassu screws, that was found inside a coal, and also this copper bell that was also found inside of a lump of coal. And of course, the coal I thought takes millions of years to make, but where is it actually just formed? In a giant flood? And flood myths are not just inclusive to the Bible. Every culture around the world has them. There's almost 500 all over around the world. And if the world really was flooded, where did all the water come from? Well, believe it or not, maybe perhaps underwater, with all these underwater aquifers. And of course, we have many examples of cities that have been sunken. These pyramids are actually off the coast of Japan, believe it or not. So, a possible real-life Atlantis. And then we also, believe it or not, have seashells on top of Mount Everest as well, which means that at one time it was underneath water. And then fossils of fish that flatten the paper thickened by a weight of sediments that bury them instantly. Well, straight fossils of trees buried vertically in sediments, some buried upside down. Mammoths instantly frozen when the temperature dropped to negative 100 degrees Celsius. Fossils of giant clams and seashells on the tops of mountains, as I said before, including Mount Everest, the tallest mountain in the world. Yeah, those are giant clams right there they're standing on, believe it or not. Things got huge back in the day. Whether you believe evolution is true, or dinosaurs are hundreds of millions of years old, or just still alive and still living, really doesn't matter too much, because biblical prophecy is true. We know for sure by archaeological evidence and scientific data. As we can see, that Isaiah scroll was written in 200 BC and contains many prophecies of Jesus. This alone authenticates the Bible. Well, anyways, I'm Brian Cornelius from The Light and the Lamb. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share, subscribe.